The pace of technological development in the 21st century, predominantly in digital technology, has caused what is now known as digital transformation. Many long-established business models ceased to be effective, and some operating models became inefficient as a result. The new digital business models emerged and disrupted industries and markets. Stakeholders found themselves in a highly connected world with unprecedented access to information and myriads of new social and economic relationships. This, in turn, raised countless new social, economic, environmental, ethical, and political challenges and opportunities. So there's a call for using digital technologies to support sustainable development and for digital organizations to become more sustainable. We'll look at this in more detail in Module 2. Combining digital transformation and sustainability transformation should define the leadership plan for today and tomorrow's organizations. The pace at which the world is changing renders traditional business and operating models unsustainable. Leaders need to rethink how they govern and operate their value systems to ensure long-term success. No organization or society will be unchanged, and those most effective in responding to change will lead. To become more sustainable, digital organizations should consider 3 key aspects of strategic planning. These are business models, products and services, and the organizational ecosystem. Let's look at business models first. Many organizations think their only option for becoming sustainable is to adopt the disrupt or be disrupted mindset, as many did for digital transformation. The major challenge organizations face is to realize their sustainability commitments through business and operating models, supply chains, and sourcing solutions. This is particularly challenging for those that operate across multiple geographies. In some cases, organizations need to review their business models, including a review of their value systems and positioning for sustainability. The second key aspect is products and services. Stakeholder expectations and sustainability goals may prompt an organization to reconsider its products and services portfolio. There is a growing demand for IT products and services that support initiatives, such as reducing waste, minimizing carbon emissions, and providing benefits to certain groups and communities. These changes in the portfolio are closely connected to the transformation of operating models, as described before. Similar to digital transformation, the sustainability transformation brings an opportunity for development and innovations. The third key aspect for strategic planning is the organizational ecosystem. Sustainability is based on shared values, corporate responsibility, and transparency. To ensure these, organizations should review their supplier, customer, employee, community, and investor portfolios to ensure that they develop a sustainable economic and social ecosystem, from funding and sourcing to consumption. This influences other strategic choices in the business model and products and services. We'll look in more detail at the evolution of sustainability planning and each of these areas in Module 4.